welcome to my channel Craving Yellow. My name is Tabitha. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. This unit, oh yes, this is a wig. It's making me feel like Diana Ross, guys. Yo, this is, I think, officially my newest favorite unit. Jeez, guys, and I have like over 20 wigs, but this one is delivering the life. So I will not take your time. I'm gonna get straight into the details of this hair. I received it from a company called Allovehair. That's A-L-L-O-V-E hair, like I love, but Allovehair. I'm gonna link you down to all the details you need to know about this hair. But yes, this video is about how I unboxed it and installed the unit on my head. Guys, I am just this wig is gonna make me so vain. If you meet me in the streets of Nairobi wearing this unit, please, you have to say hi to me with like, yes girl. It is life. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. The length, the color, the curls, the fullness. It is not one of those units that over here you're like, oh girl, oh child, like what is that nundu on your head? What is that mountain on your head? Oh yes, this is a unit, guys. So anyway, let me stop being so vain. Let's get straight into the installation. So this is the unit straight out of the box. I love the length and the curls. I'm definitely nowadays like moving towards this tighter coil, like a 3. This is like a 3A type of coil. So I'm just gonna wear it for you guys to see how it looks straight out of the box. It fits really well. It's not bulky. I like it. It's flat on my head. Oh, I look like Queen Cleopatra with this lace on my forehead. But I think I really like it. Okay, cool. So let me customize it to my hairline, and then I'll bring you up closer so that you can see it in detail. But it is so soft, guys. This is going to be my uniform. I'm gonna be wearing this wig in every video after this one. I'm sorry to say. I really love it. I really love it. It feels gorgeous on my head. Anyway, I'm rambling, so let me cut off my lace. I'm gonna walk you through that, and then we can see how this thing lays on my head straight out of the box. that is this unit. I tried my level best to like lay it. Look, I'm not the most I wouldn't call myself a professional wig installer. You know those YouTubers who you're like, what was that flawless installation of that wig? But I do try to make it look as natural as possible. And guys, I think I tried. Like, this is something you can do at home. So let me give you all the specs for this hair, because I want you to go right now and purchase it. Yes, purchase it. Yes, this is a sponsored video, but guys, like I've always told you, I only show you guys things that I actually love, products that I actually use, units that you will actually see me wearing on my channel like for eternity. This one, be prepared to see it for more and more videos to come. So guys, the specs of the hair. So this is the curly 4x4 lace front. So as you saw when I was installing, it's actually 4 inches by 4 inches in lace front wig, and it's 100% virgin Remy human hair. Guys, I don't even know, like, stop watching this video, click the link, go to the site, buy you guys yourselves this hair, because I don't think you're gonna get hair this gorgeous, this full, this willing to give you vanity like you will with Allovehair, guys. I'm just gonna leave it there. Thank you so much for watching. I know you're gonna go and like their pages on Instagram, go and buy a couple of wigs from their website, and let me know how you go. And if you see me in the streets, I better be seeing you also in the streets in your Allovehair wig, because guys, where are we getting these hairs from again? It's a steal. If you tell me it's a steal, hurry up, quickly go to their site, get yourself this unit. Thank me later. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That is it for me. I will see you right here on my channel with more interesting random things that I find. So be sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, go tell a friend to tell a friend, and I'll see you right here very soon. Between now and then, I'm sending you so much love and sunshine.